the first 7 numbers of a number pattern are given below. So we have 999 here, 991, that is the second number, 988, third number, fourth number, 980, and so on until the 7th number. Alright, so of course there will be more terms down the road. Question is this: what is the 56th number? Alright, now to do this, we need to observe a pattern. 999 to 991, that is a change of 8. And then subsequently 991 to 988 is a change of 3. Subsequently 988 to 980 is again a change of 8. 980, 977, again a change of 3. So it's like minus 8, minus 3, minus 8, minus 3, and minus 8, minus 3 as well, and so on. Okay, it goes like this. So that is a pattern that we see. And further to that, we also need to understand that between two numbers, there's a reduction of 11. 999 to 988 minus 11. 988 to 977 minus 11, minus 11. Now this goes for any two consecutive numbers. So for example, between 991 and 980, also minus 11. Over here, also minus 11, and so on. Alright, now why is this important? It's because we need to distinguish between the odd numbers, what's happening, and between the even numbers. Okay, so the even position, for example, in the second number, in the fourth number, in the sixth number, these are all even positions. Okay, now between the even positions, the difference is always a minus 11. And since 56 number 56 here is an even position, we need to focus only on the even position numbers. So for example, second number is 991, the fourth number 980, the sixth number, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 969. So as you can see, we are reducing by 11, right? Minus 11, minus 11, and so on. So the 8th number, we will expect this to be 969 minus 11. So that will be 958, and so on until we reach the 56th number. Alright, so of course it will be taking up too much time. In fact, do not do this, which is listing all the way until 56. Alright, so instead of that, we observe a certain pattern that is happening. Okay, so between the second and the 980th number, minus just 1 times of 11. Okay, so I'm just going to put the difference to be 11. Between 981 and 969, 11 times 2, that is the difference. Between 991 and 958, the difference is 11 times 3, 33. Yeah? So we need to observe these numbers here. Now, why is the difference between this and this 11 times 2? Why is it 2? Why is the difference between 991 and 958? Why is it 11 times 3? Why is it 3? It is because of the difference in the position, which is 6. Right? Between this and this, it is just a 2. Between this and this is just a 4. So what is 6? 6 is actually 3 times 2. 3. Look at the 3 there. That's why it's a 3 here. 4 is actually 2 times 2. That's why it's a 2 here. 2 is actually 1 times 2. That's why 11 times 1 will be the difference for the first one. So if you want to know what is the 56th number, you need to know the difference between 56 and 2. That is 54. Okay, and 54 is actually the same as what times 2? 27 times 2. So we'll expect from 991 all the way to the 56th number, the difference will be 11 times 27. Okay, so 11 times 27. 297. Okay, so 991 minus 297, that should give us our final answer of 694.